I know that the last thing that you want to do after losing a loved one is taxes, but the IRS does not see it that way. So here is exactly what you need to do to file the final tax return for your loved one. I'm gonna go through it step by step and let you know exactly what you need to do. So keep watching. First things first, you need to get all of their income together. Did they have Social Security? Did they have a pension? Did they have a job, wages, whatever it is, whatever income they had, you need to get all of that information together so that you will have the accurate numbers. Next, you're going to use the exact same filing status that they would have used while they were alive. You're going to put that on the tax return if they were single, head of household, married filing separate. If they're married filing joint and you are the spouse, then you will go ahead and sign the tax return as the surviving spouse. Now, if you are not married, you guys don't usually file together, and it's not your spouse, then you will need to fill out a form 1310 you'll have to fill out this form as a personal and existing representative. And this form will need to be attached to the form 1040 to the IRS. All right, so now let's look at the form 1310 that you will need to complete. You will first go to irs.gov and find the form 1310, and it's called the Statement of Person Claiming Refund Due a Deceased Taxpayer. And you're going to complete this for the year that you are completing it for. Make sure that you put the name of the deceased, the date of their passing, their Social Security number. Put your information right there where it says name of person claiming the refund. And then you're also going to put your Social Security number, address, etc. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to check one of the boxes. So here you see you're either the spouse, the surviving spouse, or you are the court approved person. So like if you have a probate, etc., and you have that, then that's you, or you are someone else other than that. So if you're a child of the deceased and you are filling this out for them, and you haven't gone to probate and got all the information like that, then you're going to click check number C, letter C. Then you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to start answering these questions. And you only do this if you checked box C. So again, if you checked box C, then you have to answer these questions. And then you're going to sign it. You're going to date it, and then you're going to attach this to the form 1040 that you need to complete for taxes. So again, this is the information here. You're going to complete one of those 1040 forms. So let me make that bigger so you can see the forms that you would complete. And then you're going to turn this in. Next, you're going to make sure that you claim every single deduction that they would be entitled to. And it doesn't matter what the deduction is. If they're entitled to it, make sure that you claim it. Do not leave any money on the table. And if you are owed a refund, or if there's a refund that needs to come, make sure that you fill out the paperwork to receive that refund immediately. And if you owe, or if they owe taxes, then you need to make sure that you pay that the amount that you owe before you start distributing information and money from this. So once you do all of that, you're going to go ahead and fill out all the forms and send them in to the IRS. Make sure every document is signed. Make sure that you attach the required documentation and mail that in. I'm praying for you, and I do understand this because I went through it not too long ago. So I want to make sure that everybody is able to take care of all the essentials, even if they have lost a loved one. So if you have any questions or you need any help, go ahead and put a comment in the comment section. I will respond. And if you need some one-on-one help, you might need to consult your tax professional so that they can help you with the documentation. Go ahead and make sure that you join the Financial Spotlight family. We'd love to have you because I am here to give you tax information and tax tips with no fluff. Thanks for joining me. Have a good one. Bye.